Good morning. Today we are going to discuss nested for loop. When a loop is placed within another loop, it's called nested loop. Okay. So let's see how it works. Here I have taken I is equal to 1 and test condition is I is less than equal to 2 and I plus plus. It means that it will start with uh, 1 and the loop will be terminated when its value is 2. So it will run twice. Okay. So this loop is going to be executed 2 times. Now see this one. This loop again start with 1 and its test condition is also j is less than. I have taken different variables. Be careful. Here I equal to 1, here j is equal to 1. And the condition is j is less than equal to 2. So again it will execute when it is 2. Once it will become 3, the loop will be terminated. So this loop again will be executed twice. So both the loops are being executed 2 times. So how many possible outputs are there? So combine both the execution of both the loop, that is 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 4. So it is going to give you 4 out. Okay, 2 from each. Now how it works, this is the main loop and within this loop we have placed this loop. So have a look on how it is working. When I is equal to 0, condition is I is equal to 1, condition is tested, condition is true, you will go inside the loop. Within this loop we are having another loop. Now what will happen here? It will now initialize j with 1 and now it will test the condition, that is j is less than 2. Yes, condition is true. So this statement will be executed. Okay. So what is the current value of I? The current value of I is right now it's 1. I is equal to 1. Okay. And what is the current value of j? So current value of j is again 1. Now what will happen? It will again it will return back once it is done. It will display the value of I and j. So I is equal to 1 will be displayed and j is equal to 1 will be displayed. There is no comma, so I am just removing it. Now what will happen? It will now return back to this loop and it will increase the value of j. So now j becomes 2. What will happen with value of I? I will remain unchanged since we are not returning back to this place. Okay. So j is 2. Now condition is tested. J is less than equal to 2. Yes, j is not less than, but it's equal to 2. So condition is true. You are again inside. So what is the value of I? Value of I is still 1. And value of j is 2. Okay. Now what will happen? It will again increase the value of j. Now j is 3. Condition is tested. Condition is false. So you are outside this loop. But you are still inside the main loop. So it will return back to I plus plus. Now value of I will be incremented by 1. So now it becomes 2. Condition is tested. Condition is true. Fine. You will go inside this loop. Now you will start with, this is the first iteration. Now second, we are in the second iteration of this first for. What will happen? Now the value of I is 2. Now again you will enter this loop. Value of j is 1. So it will display condition is tested, condition is true. So it will display you I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. Okay. Again it will return back and increase the value of j. J is now 2. Condition is tested, condition is true. So it will again display the value of I is 2 and value of j is 2. Okay. Again the value of j is increased by 1. Now it becomes 3. Condition is tested. Condition is false. It will take you to the main loop. Now value of I is increased by 1. Now it becomes 3. Condition is tested. Condition is false. You are now outside. So total how many output we are getting? So this one is the first output. This one is second. And fourth and fifth. Sorry, third and fourth. So total we are getting 4 outputs. So this is how nested loop works. Let's check it out. Okay. So here I have declared ij. K is not required in this case. Let's remove it. Similar loop is written here. Similar statements are written in I is equal to 1, I is less than 2, I plus plus, I j is equal to 3, 1, j is less than 2, j plus plus. Here I am displaying slash t. I is equal to percentage d, j is equal to percentage d, I and j. It will display value of I and j. Let's execute the program. See what is the value you are getting. Here I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1. This is the first value. Now I still remains 1, but the value of j increases. Now it's 2. Now it will terminate the second loop now, because j will become 3 after this value. Now again we are in the second iteration of the main loop. Now I is equal to 2, then j is equal to 1. Again I will remain same, that is 2, and j will increase to 2. This is how it's working. Just change the value, change the condition, or try to have 3 in the first loop. So what will happen? Here we are executing it from 1 to 3, that is, it will be executed 3 times, and it is executed 2 times only. So what is the total number of output you can expect? That is 3 cross 2, that is 6 outputs. So you will get I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1, I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. Then again I value of I will increase. So this time you will get I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. Then j is equal to 2. Again you will return back. Now I will be 3 and j will be 1. 3 1 3 2. Then loop will be turned. Just test it. See, I is 1, j is 1. I is 1, j is 2. Now again back second iteration. J is equal to, I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1. I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1. I is fixed. And again I is increased to 3, j is 1. I is 3, j is 2. Okay. Now reverse it. Make it twice and make it 3. Similar number of outputs, but here you will get I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1, then 2 and then 3. Okay. And in the next iteration I will be 2 and j is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Now just test it. What is the value we are getting? 6 possible outputs we said. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here I is 1, j is 1, j is 2, j is 3. With value of I 1. Now value of I is 2, j is 1, j is 2, j is 3. So this is how nested loop works. That's all for now. Thank you.